Hello students, welcome to your e-learning class. Today we are going to learn about the digestive system. As you all know, we need energy for our day-to-day life, and this energy comes from food. But do you get energy from it instantly? I think no. Let's see why it happens. The food which we eat does not give us energy instantly. Let's study about digestion. The food we eat needs to be broken down into simpler substances and to be absorbed by the blood. This process is called digestion. Now see in the picture. This is the whole process that takes place when we eat food. First, food enters from mouth, which goes to the food pipe, then it goes to the stomach, large intestine, small intestine, and the waste come out of the body through anus. Next is the digestive system. Let's study about digestive system. The set of organs that help in the process of digestion forms the digestive system. The main organs of digestive system of our body are mouth, food pipe, stomach, liver, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. Now see the picture of human digestive system. Let's label them. Mouth, food pipe commonly known as esophagus, liver, stomach, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. Now let's have a look at these organs one by one. First, we are going to study about mouth. The process of digestion starts in the mouth. The food we eat enters through mouth. The salivary glands, which are in the mouth, present in the mouth, pour saliva which converts starch into sugar, a simple carbohydrate. It converts the complex carbohydrate into simple carbohydrate. You can have a look at the picture. You can see the mouth, salivary glands, and esophagus. Now look what happens after this. The teeth break solid food into smaller pieces. The tongue helps in mixing saliva with the food particles and swallow the chewed food to the food pipe. Next is food pipe. The food goes through the food pipe, pass to the stomach, which is commonly known as esophagus. Then it goes to the stomach. The stomach is like a muscular bag. The inner layer of the stomach releases digestive juices. You can see the image of the stomach in the picture shown on the screen. These juices help in the digestion of the food. Food is churned and mixed with digestive juices. The highlighted part is the image of a stomach. The food in the stomach becomes like a thick soup and passes into the small intestine. Then the food passes to the liver. The liver is the largest organ of our body. It produces bile. Bile helps to digest fats in the small intestine. Now see in the picture, the yellow highlighted part is the liver, inside which you can see the blue highlighted part, which is the gallbladder. The two images are shown to you, liver and the gallbladder. Now let's study about pancreas. The pancreas produces pancreatic juices. These pancreatic juices digest carbohydrates, fats and proteins in the small intestine. Now look at the picture. You can see the yellow highlighted part is the pancreas. Let's study about small intestine. Small intestine is the longest organ of the body. The largest organ is the liver, but the longest organ of the body is small intestine. Now please see in the picture. The liver and pancreas pass their juices into the small intestine, which help in complete digestion of nutrients. The blue highlighted part is the small intestine. The yellow highlighted part is the bile produced by the body. The digestive nutrients absorbed by the blood vessels in the walls of the small intestine. The nutrient contained blood is passed to other body parts through the blood vessels. The undigested food goes into large intestine. Now let's study about large intestine. Large intestine absorbs the extra water and carries it to the kidneys. The remaining semi-solid, undigested food is thrown out from the body through anus. So children, we have studied about the human digestive system. So we conclude that digestive system is very important part of our body. Without it, we cannot get the essential nutrients which are needed for the proper growth and good health. I hope you have understood. Thank you for learning. Watch this video twice. Thank you for learning.